iFuel, where we get to learn more about it. Brilliance, I'd like to call on stage Miss Glenda and the CEO of iFuel, Miss Krisha.
To commemorate this incredible moment between iFuel and Brilliant Skin, let us witness this brilliant contract signing.
Siguro before kami mag-start na mag-contract signing, ikikwento ko lang ulit kasi it's the first time na makaharap ko talaga kayong lahat with Ma'am Krisha. So, it's an honor. Sabi ko nga kung meron man akong brilliant na gusto pang itayo is gasoline, petroleum, but how? Ang hirap niyang gawin. Then I met Miss Krisha. She's only 34 years old. Imagine, 34 years old. And ang dami niya ng stations nationwide. Kaya nakakatuwa. And happy ako and salamat sa tiwala sa pagkuha sa akin bilang face ng iFuel. And syempre, as partner na din. So, thank you.
Thank you, love. Syempre, makiki-hello Melo ako. Hello, Melo. O, oh, diba? First, syempre, congratulations. Hindi ko lang business partner si Miss Glenda, but she's also a sister to me. With iFuel, looking ahead, we are projecting even bigger growth together this 2024. And I'm very proud of you. Sobrang proud ako na ikaw yung nakasama ko. And I'm very proud na sinishare natin yung opportunity sa Brilliant family. Of course, with your leadership and yung support ni Ms. Glenda sa iFuel, sobrang solid. And because of that, we really love you then.
Yes, actually, na-test niyo yung relationship namin last year.
Sobra
And
yun,
muntik niya nang ibenta sa big company kasi binibili po talaga ng big company si iFuel. And sabi ko talaga sa kanya, no, ilalaban natin to. And alam niyo yun, ang sarap sa feeling na mas madami yung nagpa-franchise ng iFuel. And sabi ko nga sa kanya, gusto kong ipakilala si iFuel sa mga online sellers na hindi lang yung sobrang mayayamang tao ang may kayang maka-afford ng gasoline station. So, pinost ko yun, kaya kami nagkaroon ng Bulilit Station. For only 4.8 million pesos, meron ka ng gasoline station. And sabi ko nga, I think, afford yun ng mga online sellers. Kasi sa Brilliant, bago ka makapasok, ang initial entry namin is 3 million pesos. So, konting-konti na lang. And kapag naghahanap kayo ng another business opportunity, isasanla ko po yung mukha ko, andyan yung mukha ko, ang buong company ko, na sobrang legit ni iFuel and marami na din talagang natutulungan si iFuel.
It's equal opportunity for everyone. And thank you, Ms. Glenda, for sharing the opportunity sa ka-Brilliant family natin.
All right. Let us seal the deal. So, photo op po. Smile. Okay. Yes. Okay, so ready na. Seal na ang deal. So, Miss Glenda and Miss Krisha, you can join me here. All right, okay. Smile to the camera and yes. Give your best look. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ni Miss Frisia and Miss Glenda in green, emerald green to be exact. Okay, so meron tayong pa-flowers for Miss Frisia. Yay! Yes! Yes, okay, photo op again with the flowers this time. All right, thank you so much, Miss Glenda and Miss Frisia. Ang gaganda.